Good morning. I began this chapter by saying that chemistry is the study of matter and this matter interacts. This interaction is governed by certain laws. That is, when matter interacts, that time compounds are formed and the formation of these compounds are governed by certain laws. Collectively, all these laws are called law of chemical combination. Altogether, there are 5 laws and today I will be teaching you all these 5 laws. The first law is law of conservation of matter. According to this law, mass can neither be created nor destroyed. That is, the total mass of the reactant will be equal to the total mass of the product after a chemical transformation. This law was put forward by Lavoisier. The second law is law of definite proportion by Proust. According to this law, irrespective of a source, the given compound always contains the same elements by ratio. That is, supposing if you have carbon dioxide and this carbon dioxide is available naturally in the atmosphere. The same carbon dioxide can be prepared artificially by mixing HCl gas with calcium carbonate. Let it be synthetic carbon dioxide or natural carbon dioxide, the ratio of carbon to oxygen in CO2 is fixed. This is law of definite proportion. Thus, the ratio of C to O2 in carbon dioxide, irrespective of its source, is always 3:8 because atomic mass of carbon over here is 12 and that of oxygen is 32. So, 12:32 will finally give you 3:8. This ratio is maintained irrespective of the source, that is, let carbon dioxide be natural or let it be synthetic. Third law, law of multiple proportion by John Dalton. According to this law, when two elements combine to form two compounds and the mass of one of the element in both the compound is fixed, then the mass of the other element always bears a simple whole number ratio. Thus, C combines with O2 to form CO and CO2. As you see, the mass of C in CO and CO2 is fixed, but the mass of O in CO and CO2 is variable. Finally, they will bear a simple whole number ratio, that is 1:2. Fourth law, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes. That is, whenever gases combine together, they always do in a simple whole number ratio. Thus, H2 combines with O2 to form H2O. According to the balanced chemical equation, 2 volume of H2 will combine with 1 volume of O2. So, the ratio is simple, 2:1. And finally, the fifth law, Avogadro's law. According to Avogadro's law, equal volumes of all gases at the same condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules.